lavender is super easy and quick to make, so stay with us. Hello everyone and welcome once again to this your channel. In case you don't know me, I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. And with this tutorial I want to show you how to make this cute and easy to make the lavender. I will use lilac color yarn, the brand Sinfonia, for the flower. Also you can use the yarn that you prefer, and for the sleeves, I will use green color yarn, but this one is about 1 millimeter. For 1 millimeter yarn, I will use 1.25 millimeters hook, and for Sinfonia, 2.5 millimeters hook. Depend of your yarn, maybe the size for the hook will be different. Also, we need scissors and some wire about 20 centimeters. This is all the materials that we need to make it, so if you want to do it, let's start. Oh, sorry, I forget told you that we will need a hot silicone for or whatever glue that you prefer. So we will start making the trunk and using lilac color yarn in the beginner and later green color yarn. Pay close attention and you can see how I do it this. And now we will make 3 equal sleeves. I'm already made 2. I will use 1mm yarn, green colored yarn. Then I will use for this yarn 1.25mm hook, and we will start with the slip knot, and then 21 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we will continue doing chains until we are 21. I'm already made 21, and we will start in the second chain with 1 slip stitch. 1 and 2 here, taking the back loops, this time 1 slip stitch. In the next chain, 1 single crochet, and now 16 half double crochet in a chain. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing half double crochet until we are 16. Now we have 2 chains more, and we will make 1 single crochet and 1 slip stitch. And now we will repeat the same exactly from the beginning. 1 slip stitch, this time in the same base of the last slip stitch, so 2 slip stitch together. In the base of the last single crochet, 1 single crochet. At the same time, you can hide this thread. One single crochet, and now 16 half double crochet. One, 2, 3, and we will continue doing half double crochet until we are 16. And for the end, 1 single crochet and 1 slip stitch. And now 18 slip stitch more in the center. If you made 17, 19 or 20 is okay, it's only a detail on the center. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will continue doing slip stitch in all center until the end. I'm already finished, and this is the result. Now you can cut the yarn. You don't need a long yarn. We will secure later with a silicone at the same time that we join with the trunk. You can secure just a little. And cut more. And remember that we need 3 equal sleeves or more if you want to make 4. Also, you can do only 2. And now we will make the flower. And for the flower, we will use lilac color yarn, in this case Symphonia Brain yarn. And we will start with 7 chains. First the slip knot and then 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And now 1 slip stitch in the first chain that we already made, in the first one. 1 slip stitch. Repeat again, 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 1 slip stitch in the first one. One more time together. 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 1 slip stitch in the first one. I will repeat this 50 times in total. If you think that is necessary repeat more times, also you can do it. It's the best of this pattern. You can make more later if you think that is necessary. Only make 7 chains more and 1 slip stitch in the first one. And that's it. Now I will show you the result. I'm already finished the 50 repetitions, and now you can cut the yarn if you sure that is enough. You can cut the yarn and make 1 chain only for secure. But if you don't sure that is enough, please don't cut the yarn yet. And now pay close attention. It's very easy join this part with the another part of this flower, so pay close attention. Then we already finished this lavender. So I'm already made too. I really love these flowers. They are very easy to do it. You can make 100, I don't know. But they are very fast to easy. I hope and you like it and you want to see more tutorials like this one, because we will make more flower in the next tutorial. If you want to see it, please subscribe and activate the bell and you receive notification every time that I upload a new video. And if you like this tutorial, don't forget to give me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, I answer you as soon as possible. Thanks a million for watching this tutorial to the end, and until next video, bye bye.